So hello everyone and welcome again. So this is my Karizma XMR 210. So today I am going to lubricate the chain of my motorcycle. The chain is a bit dry, little bit muddy also. I will clean it also. I will show you what I will do. I am going to use diesel and gear oil. First thing is that everybody knows that this motorcycle doesn't have a center stand and I don't have a paddock stand also. So we need to improvise. So I am going to use this oven cone. You can do anything else. You can also do the car scissor jack. So I will place this oven cone under the motorcycle and I lift the rear wheel up so that I can clean and lubricate my chain. So let me just show you the process. So I am just going to place the oven cone under the belly pan of the motorcycle, the exhaust belly pan. I'm just going to tilt the motorcycle on the side stand and just slide the oven cone under the motorcycle, and it will hold the weight. You can see the rear wheel is up. I can move it with my hand, so I can easily do the work now. So now the rear wheel is up. Let me show you the condition of the chain. It is little bit dry, not much rust is there. I can rotate this easily with my hand with the rear wheel up. I can place my car scissor jack also, and you can use any block of wood also and place it under the swing arm also. So it is not very dirty. So I am just going to wipe it with a cloth dipped in diesel. You can use any cleaner of your choice and any lubricant of your choice to do this. So I'm going to show what I'm going to do, and this is how I regularly follow. I always use diesel and gear oil to clean and lubricate. So here is the bottle of diesel. I've made a hole on top of the cap. I'm going to dip this old socks in the diesel and I'm going to wipe the full length of the chain with this cloth with it dipped in the diesel so that it can clean the chain. And then I'm going to lubricate with gear oil. I have got the gear oil in my keep. This 90 grade gear oil. I also use 140 grade sometimes. When it is very hot, then I use 140 grade. Otherwise, the 90 grade is fine for the whole season. I've just placed a old newspaper under the wheel so that it will catch the dirt and the surface would be clean. So I'm just going to place it here. Just swipe the whole length. Always remember, before lubricating your chain of your motorcycle, every time always wipe it before lubrication, because if you wipe over the dirt, if you lubricate over the dirt, then it will make the matter burst. So it is always a good option or always a good choice to wipe it clean. You can use any cloth, any lint free cloth, which will not leave any threads in the chain, or you can simply use a old newspaper and grab the chain and wipe the dirt off and then just lubricate it. Look, it has cleaned the dirt quite well. I'm going to flip it around and pour some more diesel on it. Diesel is my go-to thing to clean the chain. I'm going to grab the chain again. Now the chain is clean. So as you can see, the chain is clean now. Now I'm going to lubricate using this gear oil. This is 90 grade gear oil. You can use 140 grade or 90 grade. 140 grade will work very well in the summer, very hot summer days. So I'm just gonna. You just have to target these rings here, these O-rings on both sides, and I'll give one round each on the O-rings and one round on the center rollers. So now it has been clean. So time to lubricate now. Just keep this diesel aside. I'm gonna start the master link. Find the master link. There is a white marking on the master link here. I'm going to take it as my starting point. Yes, I'm going to put some pressure on the keep so that the gear oil will start coming. Don't go overboard with it. One round is enough. I'm going to give one round on each side of the rollers so that the o-ring is lubricated properly. Always remember never to start your motorcycle while working on your chain. If you love your fingers, then never start your motorcycle while working on your chain. If you don't have anything to lift the rear wheel, then you can simply move it forward and backward and lubricate and clean the chain. So now this side is done. I'm going to do the outer side. Now one round on the roller. And that's it, it is done. Now we have to wait for 10 minutes and just wipe off the excessive chain lube which is dripping so that it will not fly away and stick on your alloy wheels. So now I have waited for more than 10 minutes. So I will wipe off the excessive chain lube. I'll just keep a old newspaper under it gently, don't grab it, and just give it a spin and it will clean the excessive chain lube or the gear oil which is dripping. If you do this step, then it will not fly away and stick on your wheels and the other part of your swing arm and your motorcycle. You can avoid this part also. So this is how we can clean and lubricate our chain if you don't have a center stand. So thanks for watching. I hope this video will be helpful.